Hello students. Today I want to start this video with a small question. I want to ask you all that what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of summers? Okay, I will give you a clue. What is cold, sweet, creamy and wonderful to eat? Oh yes, you guessed it right. It's an ice cream. Everyone's favorite, especially on a hot summer day. And everyone's favorite person during the summers might be just an ice cream man who comes with his cart and all the children gather around him like honey bees. So, today we are going to study the poem The Ice Cream Man from Marigold Book, Unit 1. The poem is written by Rochelle Field. Now, let's do a read aloud of the poem The Ice Cream Man. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honey bees. So the poem shares the joy of the speaker when he sees the ice cream man riding on his small cart. The first stanza says, when summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. So it means that when it is summer season in the city and there is too much heat all around, the walls and the bricks become as hot as fire. It is the time when the ice cream man arrives to the city with his little cart filled with ice creams and goes around the streets. Trundling means move something very slowly and noisily. So the ice cream man moves around the city while trundling his cart, which brings happiness among the children. In the second stanza, it says, beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sigh, to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. So the child is saying that there is a very big round umbrella on the ice cream man's cart, and it is a very joyful thing to look at when he is filling the cones with mounds of ice cream with cooling brown and white under his umbrella. Mound here means a large amount of something. The third stanza says, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. In the third stanza, the child says that the ice cream man has a lot of flavor options like vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, etc. And he also has chilled things to drink, and the bottles are full of ice and is very cold, and they make a fizzy noise because of the ice, and they are of different colors including green, orange, white and pink. In the fourth and the last stanza, the poet says, his cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honey bees. So, in the last stanza, the child has compared the ice cream man's cart with that of a flower bed, which is full of roses and sweet peas. Now, students, you must have seen honeybees gathering around the flowers. In a similar way, the child says that the children also cluster, that is, they gather around the cart of the ice cream man like honeybees. In this stanza, the poet has compared the cart to the flower bed and children to the honeybees. Like the honeybees cluster around the flower bed, Similarly, the children also cluster around the cart. So, that's all for today, students. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned.